Next up, here is an advanced strategy that only you can find in Helium 10, and that's called customer intelligence. I bet you 95% of you don't even know this is in there. This is a tool that you can, Diamond members and above can get in the dashboard. It's on the left-hand side. It's like one of those little menus that open up, and it's called customer intelligence. Now, this is like next level. If you're, let me tell you right now, if you just have one product, or you're a brand new seller, you might not look too much into this. It's not going to give you too much value. But if you've been selling for a few years, you have a few products, this is going to give you insights that you might never have measured before. Now, that being said, if you don't have Helium 10, you still should be measuring this. If you've been selling on Amazon for a while, you got to figure out a way to download your reports or figure out some of this, with mathematics and stuff, right? But for those of you who use Helium 10, don't have time for all that, go ahead, hop into the tool. Customer intelligence, like I said, it's on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Like here's a hemp cream account that I'm in. I could see the lifetime value of customers because this is a product that people multiple buy. So like, hey, the average lifetime value of my customers, $118. That's like, three products they're buying because this product is like $30 only, right? Here's my average order value. All right. Here's my CAC and my LTV to CAC ratio. If you guys don't know what that means, it's probably something you should start looking into. Google that. What's LTV to CAC mean and how can that help me? You can see this graph over days, weeks, months, quarters, or years, going back as far as you have data with Helium 10. Here at the product level, I can see what my LTV, my CAC, my average order value, my LTV to CAC, my customer lifetime. Look at this. I have got a 1.6 year customer lifetime value on my main product here. What's the purchase frequency? How many orders overall? And then how many are new customers? How many are total customers? All right. So how many were new to the brand in that last year? So there's tons of information. We're actually going to have a training soon on that at the Elite Workshop where top seller Jason from Prime Team Agency, he's going to be talking about how to use this dashboard and how to even expand from that to get some insights about your mature brands and learning, because this is the kind of data that's going to help you decide how you tackle your advertising and stuff, right? Like if you know that, hey, your lifetime value is $120, well, you're not thinking so much about, oh, I got to get down to 20% ACoS for this order. No, you got to be thinking about ACoS from that LTV value, right? Especially if they're getting to subscribe and save everything. So really important, guys, look into customer intelligence if you're an advanced seller.